Learn Hindi adverbs fast, therefore, nevertheless, perhaps and more in
Hindi.
Welcome to your Hindi adventure. Hey, you're here, and that already means progress. Today you'll learn 8 super useful Hindi words that make you sound more natural, clever, and slightly more dramatic than necessary. We're learning therefore,
इसलिए.
nevertheless,
फिर भी.
perhaps,
शायद.
of course,
बिल्कुल.
actually,
असल में.
unfortunately,
दुर्भाग्यवश.
hopefully,
उम्मीद है.
and certainly.
निश्चित रूप से.
Think of them as the tiny spices that make your Hindi sentences delicious. Without them, your sentence is plain rice. With them, suddenly it has personality. Your mission today. You don't need to memorize everything perfectly on the first try. Just listen, smile, repeat, and let the words stick to your brain like a very determined piece of chewing gum. Word 1. Therefore is.
इसलिए.
Word 2. Nevertheless is.
फिर भी.
Word 3. Perhaps is.
शायद.
Word 4. Of course is.
बिल्कुल.
Word 5. Actually is.
असल में.
Word 6. Unfortunately is.
दुर्भाग्यवश.
Word 7. Hopefully is.
उम्मीद है.
Word 8. Certainly is.
निश्चित रूप से.
A very logical tea disaster. Let's start with a mini story, because stories are easier to remember than lonely vocabulary lists. Also, stories let us blame imaginary people for very silly decisions. Raj wanted tea. The tea shop was closed, therefore, he went home. In Hindi, that therefore is.
इसलिए.
Raj said, the shop is closed.
इसलिए.
I must go home. Then he saw another shop across the street. It was raining. Nevertheless, he ran to it. That is.
फिर भी.
It is raining.
फिर भी.
I want tea. This is important.
इसलिए.
Connects reason to result.
फिर भी.
Means despite the problem, you continue anyway. Raj may not be wise, but he is excellent for language learning. Maybe, hope, and big confidence. Now let's meet 3 words that sound like 3 different moods of the same person before checking exam results. If you are unsure, say perhaps.
शायद.
Example.
शायद.
She is at home. If you are hopeful, say hopefully.
उम्मीद है.
Example.
उम्मीद है.
Everything goes well. If you are fully confident, say certainly.
निश्चित रूप से.
Example. I will.
निश्चित रूप से.
Come tomorrow. And if your confidence wears sunglasses and gives a thumbs up, say of course.
बिल्कुल.
Example.
बिल्कुल.
I can help you. Actually, this is important. This next word is perfect when you need to correct a misunderstanding politely. Or when you want to sound wise after being wrong for 5 full minutes. Actually in Hindi is.
असल में.
Example. Actually, I wanted tea, not coffee. In Hindi-friendly style.
असल में.
I wanted tea. This phrase often introduces the real point, the correction, or the truth behind the confusion. So if someone says, oh, you love waking up at 5 a.m., right? You can answer.
असल में.
No, I love sleeping. Unfortunately, Raj returns. Yes, Raj is back. No, he still has not learned planning. Raj finally reached the second tea shop. Unfortunately, he forgot his wallet. That is.
दुर्भाग्यवश.
I came all this way.
दुर्भाग्यवश.
I forgot my wallet. Then he checked his pocket again and found 1 coin. He smiled and said,
उम्मीद है.
this is enough. The shopkeeper looked at the coin and said,
शायद.
Single quote. Raj asked, can I still get tea? The shopkeeper replied,
बिल्कुल.
if you wash the cups first. Language lesson and part-time job, all in one afternoon. Quick contrast drill. Now you'll hear pairs that help you feel the differences. Don't overthink it, just notice the mood of each word. Reason leads to result. It was cold.
इसलिए.
We stayed inside. Problem but still action. It was cold.
फिर भी.
We went out. Uncertain possibility.
शायद.
It will rain. Hopeful uncertainty.
उम्मीद है.
It will rain. Strong agreement.
बिल्कुल.
Exclamation mark single quote. Firm certainty.
निश्चित रूप से.
This is true. Correction or clarification.
असल में.
That was my mistake. Bad outcome.
दुर्भाग्यवश.
The train was late. Mini dialogue at the bus stop. Let's make the words talk to each other. Imagine two friends waiting for a bus that is clearly in a secret relationship with lateness. A. The bus is late.
इसलिए.
We will miss the movie. B.
फिर भी.
Let's go. Maybe the ads will still be running. A.
शायद.
You are right. B.
उम्मीद है.
The movie starts late too. A. Can we still get snacks? B.
बिल्कुल.
Snacks are the real heroes. A.
असल में.
I came mostly for popcorn. B.
दुर्भाग्यवश.
That is the most honest thing you have said today. A. Will we enjoy the evening? B.
निश्चित रूप से.
Say it with feeling. Words are easier to remember when they come with emotion. So yes, we are going to be slightly theatrical now. You're welcome. Say.
इसलिए.
Like a detective solving a mystery, calm, logical, neat. Say.
फिर भी.
Like a hero walking into wind with dramatic hair. Say.
शायद.
With a shrug and a little uncertainty. Say.
बिल्कुल.
With a big nod. Say.
असल में.
Like you are about to reveal the truth. Say.
दुर्भाग्यवश.
Like your sandwich just fell face down. Say.
उम्मीद है.
With crossed fingers. Say.
निश्चित रूप से.
Like a judge who has had enough nonsense. Tiny quiz, big glory. Time for a quick challenge. If you know the answers, excellent. If not, excellent again, because that means your brain is still cooking. Which Hindi word means therefore?
इसलिए.
Which one means nevertheless?
फिर भी.
Which one means perhaps?
शायद.
Which one means of course?
बिल्कुल.
Which one means actually?
असल में.
Which one means unfortunately?
दुर्भाग्यवश.
Which one means hopefully?
उम्मीद है.
Which one means certainly?
निश्चित रूप से.
Your final challenge. Now it's your turn to use the words. You don't need perfect grammar, you need courage, curiosity, and maybe a snack. Try saying, it was raining.
इसलिए.
We stayed inside. Try saying, it was difficult.
फिर भी.
She continued. Try saying.
शायद.
He is at home. Try saying.
बिल्कुल.
I can help. Try saying.
असल में.
I wanted tea. Try saying.
दुर्भाग्यवश.
We cannot go today. Try saying.
उम्मीद है.
Everything goes well. Try saying.
निश्चित रूप से.
I will come. Thanks and keep going. Nice work today. You just learned a powerful set of Hindi words that make your speech more natural, expressive, and much more fun. Thank you for learning with me. Practice these words out loud.
इसलिए. फिर भी. शायद. बिल्कुल. असल में. दुर्भाग्यवश. उम्मीद है.
And.
निश्चित रूप से.
Keep practicing, keep repeating, and don't worry about mistakes. Actually.
असल में.
Mistakes are part of the adventure. Hopefully.
उम्मीद है.
You'll come back for more soon.